In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to kick someone from your private server in Roblox. So first things first, go to the game where your private server is. Go to the servers tab here, and you will see any private servers that you have down below, whether they are free or paid. A couple of things are going to have to happen. The first thing you need to do is click on these three dots right here next to the private server. You're going to see an avatar of the people that are joined in your server. So you need to click the three dots, and then right here you need to click something that will say shut down server. Click on shut down server. That will shut it down so they can't join again. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to the private server page here, click the three dots once more, and go to configure. You're now going to see the server members list with a bunch of members here, and you'll see an X next to all of the members' names. Click on or tap that X that will remove the members. Just remember that if you are allowing joining of the private server, if you have a server link that's out there and you're allowing friends to join, there's a number of ways you can prevent that person from joining again. Number one, you can just say only friends are allowed and make sure that person's not on your friends list. But if you want to keep them as a friend, just not allow them in the server. You can regenerate the server link once you remove them. So hit the X here and remove them, regenerate the link like so, copy that new link and send it to all the folks that you do want to join. If you have any questions about removing or kicking someone from a private server in Roblox, put that down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.